Hello everyone, welcome to Kidz Art. In today's video, we are going to draw Aurorus from Pokemon. Let's start with the head first. Draw a circle. Draw a vertical curve line. Draw an ellipse for the body. Connect the circle and the ellipse for the basic shape of Godzilla. Draw neck. Draw tail. Draw tail. Draw eye socket. Draw eye socket. Draw diamond on the forehead. Draw eye. Draw eye. Draw stick lines for the leg position. Draw stick lines for the leg position. Detail the neck. Draw leg. Draw claws. Draw leg. Draw claws. Draw leg. Draw claws. Draw leg. Draw claws. Detail the body. Draw diamond on the tail. Draw diamond on the leg. Draw diamond shape on the body. Draw flaps. Draw diamond on the leg. Draw diamonds on the neck. Draw flaps. Draw an outline over the sketch with the marker. Let's color. Thanks for watching. To get updates, subscribe to Kidz Art.